Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to share your screenshot quickly with your friends. So at first, let's grab a screenshot. And now, just keep hold on this small picture here. And as you can see now, you'll be able to share it via AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or any other app if you have, for example, WhatsApp, maybe Messenger, whatever. So, for example, pick Messages, and then pick the contact to which you want to send it, then add text if you want, and smoothly send it. So, this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily send your screenshot to your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.